Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota 86 tail lights. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is off and parked safely. You will need a few basic tools, including an 8mm socket or wrench to remove the bolts. A flathead screwdriver or a panel popper will help with plastic clips. Masking tape is also useful to protect your car's paint during the process. First, open your trunk and remove any trunk liner clips or foam tool trays to gain access. Next, gently pry off the small trim piece located between the tail light and the trunk lid. It's held by two push fasteners. You will then see three 10mm bolts. Remove these bolts, then carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle. With the assembly out, disconnect the electrical wiring harness by pressing its retainer clip. If you are only replacing a bulb, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it, then insert your new bulb and twist clockwise to secure it. If you are installing a new tail light assembly, remember to transfer any original mounting brackets from your old unit to the new one before connecting its harness. Now, connect the new tail light's electrical harness firmly. Carefully align the new assembly with its mounting holes and any locating pins, then push it into place. Reinstall and tighten the three 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Finally, reattach any trim pieces and trunk liner. Turn on your vehicle and test the running lights, brake lights, and turn signals to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.